Right, another day. This one is Easter Sunday, or in real money, the Sunday after the full moon, after the vernal equinox. The Christians hijacked. Let's get that straight. And on this auspicious day, it's warm. Seems to be a nice day in Oxfordshire. And I shall occupy myself with looking for circuit damage from flooding on the interior of the van. So see if I can get some of this dashboard off and see what's in the Binnacle and these relays. And check it out, put it all back together without breaking it, test it again. And as ever, pause if you're interested. I'll have a good look at these in a minute. There are more of them. Oh my gosh. The problem is looming large. That was a deadpan dad joke. What exciting, riveting YouTube this is. Right. And of course, refitting is a reversal of removal. But that's all after some breakfast. Quite disproportionately pleased when I find new camera angle. Right, let's start dismantling all this stuff. Steering column, this has been off before. Oh yeah, when the horn had a dodgy earth. I forgot which tool to get. A Torx. The Sound of Angels, please. Oh, that was unbelievably easy. What are you? FM aerial or medium wave? Ironically, I came here to locate moisture in the Binnacle, but ended up using a wet rag just to clean all this crap that's dust. Oh, look at that. Let's get a good zoom in on that. Oh, okay, that's quite enough. It doesn't look like anywhere here has seen moisture, but then it hasn't been an abrasive moisture. It might, might have been temporary, then evaporated. And if in doubt, read the instructions. Okay, I've done that. Maintain true at the top, yes. Then lift. Oh, don't want to use my full strength on anything like this because you don't know what's going to break, do you? Get it free from there, that little mount. Oh, and it's off. Just like that. Don't break anything. Oh. Okay. That's nice. Just one big plug holding it in. Hopefully that's easy to undo. There's that clip. Oh, hello. It clips. Yes. And we're free. This is what I wanted to look at. There. I'm looking at it. That is hard to tell anything. But interestingly, there is a liquide ici. Evidence of a flood here. That was what I was suspecting. It must be coming from the window. I'm suspecting that is the central locking radio receiver. So it's just stuck on there without connecting to any internal circuits. That's my guess. So I can remove that and then take the entire instrument cluster out. Oh, yep. We're free. Oh, are we? Yes! Off with its head. Now, so the main business at hand is finding out what's down there and if anything could have flooded with 3 years of a fat Welsh bloke snoring and all the condensation going in to the window. Hello. Get out. I've seen you. Who are you? Right. So here's the back of the Binnacle. I want you to have a look at this set of pins here. And they all seem very, very dry and uncorroded. I was wondering if maybe they were causing an issue, but they might just be the symptom, not the cause. I imagine at this point there are mechanics and other people who've worked on cars like this before just shouting at the screen, calling me an idiot. And they'd be right. Like, I don't know what's going on. I had to fix it, or why, but I have to have a go. I mean, I haven't seen any evidence of steaming up or any evidence that the Binnacle itself has flooded, I might as well check while I've got it here and give it a clean. Oh, there's no spring. They just stay where you put them. That is interesting. So, during all this drama of the Binnacle removal, various other forms of vandalism of the dashboard, I've found a way of getting this tray of, or have I found a way of getting this little tray of relays and fuses out? I mean, there must be a way. You can't play with them in there. Yeah. Oh, why does it have to be so fiddly? It's just millimetre success by the inch is a cinch, but by the yard it is hard. Looking at it from the outside down. Okay. This very stubborn tray of relays and fuses. Surely it must be removable. That's the BSI. Okay. So it is replaceable, but is it repairable? Well, you know what? It's 5 o'clock. Starting to get cloudy. Just a couple of hours of daylight left. I'm just going to see if it starts without the instrument cluster. Check for neutral eccentrically. Good battery strength. Who knows what's going on in there? That is the built-in systems interface BSI unit. Interesting. Oh, turn the retaining knobs 90 degrees and remove the panel. Just such a throwaway sentence. On later models, rotate the prise the fuse box outwards, slightly lower the rear edge of the unit, then lift up the front edge and slide it from place. Right, so now we lift up the front end and lower the rear end, and how do you lower the rear end without squashing things? Squash things. Okay, lower the rear, up the front end, lower the rear end. Yes. Lower up the front end, lower the rear end. Quick nervous breakdown.